Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel where we turn dreams into reality. It's your boy, Mr. Beast. Well, not really, but you get the idea. Today, we're diving into the world of faceless YouTube channels. We're talking faceless YouTube channels, and how to make them pop off. Imagine creating content that goes viral without ever showing your face. I'm talking millions of views without ever showing your face. Yes, you heard that right, millions. Sounds crazy, right? But trust me, it's 100% possible, and I'm about to break down every single step. From content creation to optimization, I've got you covered. Listen up, because this is the real deal. No fluff, no filler. Just pure, actionable advice. We're not talking about some lame, boring tutorials here. We're talking about strategies that work, and work fast. This is about creating content so epic, so engaging, that people won't even care that they don't see your face. Imagine the possibilities. We're talking high-energy, fast-paced, in-your-face action that's gonna keep those views rolling in. Think of it as a roller coaster ride for your audience. So, buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to transform your channel from zero to hero. This is your moment. Let's make some YouTube history. Together, we can achieve greatness. Are you ready? Let's go. First things first, you gotta find your niche. This is the cornerstone of your channel, the very essence of what you'll be known for. But not just any niche, we're talking about niches with viral potential. You want something that can catch fire and spread like wildfire. Think about it. What are people obsessed with right now? What topics are trending on social media? What are people sharing and talking about non-stop? What kind of videos get millions of views no matter what? Maybe it's gaming, maybe it's crazy challenges or even reaction videos, maybe it's those satisfying slime videos. These videos have a universal appeal and can captivate audiences of all ages. Whatever it is, find something that's already blowing up and put your own spin on it. Add your unique touch to make it stand out. And hey, don't be afraid to think outside the box. Innovation is key. Sometimes the most unexpected ideas can become the biggest hits. Some of the biggest channels out there got huge by doing something completely different. They took risks and it paid off big time. Remember, your niche is the foundation of your channel, so choose wisely. This decision will shape your content and your audience. And once you've found it, it's time to move on to step 2. Creating content that's so good, people will forget they're even watching a faceless channel. Make it engaging, make it memorable, and most importantly, make it you. Alright, so you've got your niche locked down, you've done the research, you know your audience, and you have a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Now it's time to create some mind-blowing content that will captivate and engage your viewers. And no, you don't need a fancy camera or expensive editing software to make it happen. Your smartphone and some basic tools can do wonders. The key here is to focus on what you can control: creativity and energy. Pour your passion into every frame, every second of your content. Think about it, why do people watch Mr. Beast? It's not just about the money, it's about the crazy ideas, the over-the-top challenges, the sheer entertainment value. It's the thrill, the excitement, the unexpected twists and turns that keep viewers hooked. It's about creating moments that people can't help but talk about. So brainstorm some insane concepts, things that push the boundaries of what's possible. Think of things that will make people say, "What the heck did I just watch?" and leave them wanting more. And don't be afraid to get weird with it. Embrace the unusual, the quirky, the downright bizarre. The more unique your content, the more it's going to stand out in a sea of sameness. Be bold, be different. Remember, even without a face, your personality can shine through. Your unique style, your voice, your energy, it all adds up. Use music, sound effects, and fast-paced editing to create a vibe that's uniquely you. Make your content a reflection of who you are and what you love. Listen up, because this is huge. Your thumbnail is your first impression, your one shot to grab someone's attention as they're scrolling through a sea of videos. Think of it like this: if your thumbnail was on a billboard, would it make someone slam on the brakes and pull over? If not, it's time to step up your game. Use bright colors, bold fonts, and eye-catching images that scream, "Click me!" And don't forget about your title. It should be short, snappy, and make people need to know what your video is about. Think about using numbers, questions, and keywords that people are searching for. Remember, a killer thumbnail and title can be the difference between a few hundred views and a viral sensation. Alright, you've got them to click. Now you need to keep them hooked. You have literally 3 seconds to grab their attention before they bounce, so make those seconds count. Start your video with a bang. Jump right into the action, ask a question, or tease something exciting that's coming up, and keep that energy high throughout the entire video. Nobody wants to watch a boring video, so keep things moving, keep it dynamic, and keep it entertaining. Remember, every second counts when it comes to viewer retention. The longer you can keep someone watching, the more YouTube's algorithm will reward you. Chapter 5, Step 5, keep your content engaging. Alright, so you've hooked them in, but now you gotta keep them glued to their screens. How do you do that? By creating content that's so engaging they can't look away. Think about it. What keeps you watching a video all the way to the end? Is it the editing, the music, the storytelling? Figure out what works and incorporate those elements into your own videos. And don't be afraid to experiment with different formats. Try out time lapses, animations, text on screen, whatever it takes to keep things fresh and exciting. Chapter 6. Step 6. Call to action early and strong. Most people wait until the end of their videos to ask for subscribers, but here's a pro tip. Don't wait. Hit them with that call to action early and often. Think about it. What if someone's loving your video but they get distracted and forget to subscribe? You just missed out on a subscriber. So don't be shy. Remind them to like, comment, and subscribe throughout your video. And make it fun. Offer a giveaway, ask a question, or challenge them to do something. Chapter 7. Step 7. Consistency is key. You can have the best content in the world, but if you're not posting consistently, your channel is going nowhere. Think of it like working out. You wouldn't go to the gym once and expect to have six-pack abs, right? It takes time, dedication, and consistency. Set a schedule for yourself and stick to it, whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even daily. And don't be afraid to experiment. Try posting at different times and see when your audience is most active. And most importantly, don't give up. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, but trust me, it's worth it. That's it. You're ready to take on the world of faceless YouTube. Remember, the most important thing is to be creative, have fun, and never give up on your dreams. Now get out there, start filming, and show the world what you're made of. And hey, while you're at it, hit that subscribe button for more awesome tips on how to grow your channel. I'll see you at the top. Peace.